Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As for the title, today's makeup collections. So if you have not seen my video of the Vanity and Alexandra tour, I recommend watching that video first. This video is going to be the more in-depth version of that video. I'm going to be showing you every single product in it, so bear with me, this video will be long. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below and let's get started. Okay, so as you saw in that video, I just gave you all the whole tour. Now we're going to go in depth of like every single product in here. So up top on this organizer, as in the last video, most of my organizers are from TJ Maxx or Amazon. Starting with up here, I have the Faded by Topicals Clearing Serum, which absolutely smells like rotten eggs. I have the Multi-Action Super C Retinol Mini Serum. I have two glow recipes. I have the Dewdrops, and then I also have the toner. I have the Milk Makeup Cooling Stick, the Clean and Clear Dual Actual Moisturizer, and then the Garnier Micellar Water. And then I have my eyelash curler, eyelash separator, another curler, and like dermaplaning brushes, and I also have some tweezers on the side. In this first drawer, I have the Drunk Elephant Bronzing Drops and the Drunk Elephant Goldie Drops, which are the new ones. So that's that one. And this one, I have my L'Oreal Infallible Foundation Powder, and I also have the Anastasia Translucent Powder. This next one, I have this Revolution Blush, the Too Faced Cloud Crush, the NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush, Cloud Paint by Glossier, e.l.f. Halo Glow in Champagne, this ColourPop highlighter in the shade Flexitarian, and my favorite blush from NARS, which is Orgasm, which is the same shade as the liquid blush. The next one, I have these little powder puffs. I have the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I have the Too Faced Chocolate Matte Bronzer. In the next drawer, I have the Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, the Tarte Tartlet Tubing Mascara, the NYX The Brow Glue, the e.l.f. Clear Lash and Brow Mascara, and the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. In this drawer, I have all my lip products. I have the Essence Juicy Balm Lip Gloss, Buxom Lip Plumping Cream in Berry Blast, the Fenty Beauty Ice Lip Gloss, this Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss, and the Too Faced Lip Injection. That's everything for that drawer. In this one, I just have my Touchland Hand Sanitizer and the Sugar Rush Shimmer Times. And these are just little forehead and chin masks by Pacifica. In this drawer, I have the Multi-Action Super C Super Retinol Eye Serum, the Bright Eyed Illuminating Eye Cream, the Glossier Birthday Balm.com Lip Balm, my Differential, this Sun Bum Lip Balm, and then I also have the Teen Again Eye Cream. And then I just have my headband when I wash my face, and then I have my bonnet, which I sleep with. To the side, I just have my deodorant. This is just Dove Advanced Care. So that's it for this organizer. And now for this side, this is from TJ Maxx. Keep all my con rounds. I have this facial spray, which kind of like tones your face at night. I have the Survey Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and this is my favorite nighttime cream. This is the Touch of the Dewy Skin Cream. It makes my face so soft. So that is this section over here done. And now for the main part, which is all my makeup. So these hair clips, they're from the brand Swissco. I have the Milk Makeup Hydrating Oil, the Cos RX Snail Mucin, and the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I have all of my beauty blenders right here. For my lip products, I have this Revolution Lip Gloss. This is the Shimmer Balm. Lip Rehab, also by Revolution. NYX Lip Liner. I have the Fruit Fetish Lip Gloss from Milani. This Rare Beauty Lipstick. I got this off Amazon, but this is supposed to be like a dupe for the Dior Lip Gloss. This Morphe Lipstick. This NARS Lip Balm. This Anastasia Lip Gloss. And then I have the Essence Extreme Shine Lip Gloss. For my eye stuff, I have the NYX The Brow Glue. I have an extra one of those because I just love it so much. I have the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara, Essence Lash Princess, Maybelline Sky High Mascara, L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and the MAC Magic Extreme Mascara. In this one, I have the Physicians Formula Bronzer. This is the Butter Bronzer. And I have two setting sprays. This is the Milani Make It Last, and then the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. In this one, I have all my blushes. So I have the Milani blush, this ColourPop blush. It's a really pretty shade. NARS Orgasm Palette, and it comes with 3 different shades. The NARS Orgasm Blush, this Morphe blush in the shade Notoriously Neutral, and then this little mini baked blush by Milani. That's it for my blushes. Now for my powders. I have this translucent little loose powder by Morphe. I have this Kat Von D translucent powder. This is the Locket one. And then I have my winter shade L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in a Powder, which is my absolute favorite powder. Next for like my face products, I have the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion, the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I have the Fenty Beauty Skin Tint. I have another one of the e.l.f. Camo Concealers. And then I also have the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Foundation. So that's everything for this drawer. Up top, I just have the Cookie Dough Lip Scrub by Lush. All my brushes are from Milani, Real Techniques, e.l.f., Sonia Kashuk, and BH Cosmetics. Those are like my main brushes that I use. Now for the tour of my drawers and everything inside of those. Okay, I first have the Josie Curl Style Moisturizing Curl Butter. My favorite hair oil, which is the Mielle Gel Rosemary and Scalp Strengthening Oil, the Pattern Jojoba Oil Blend, the Pattern Leave-In Conditioner, this Clear Ice Extra Hold Hair Gel, this Bumble & Bumble Invisible Oil Primer, the Josie Curls Curl Enhancing Spray, the 4U Leave-In Curl Cream, and the Garnier Pure Clean Styling Gel. I also have my little water spray bottle. And that's it for those. Now for up top. So I have all of my little claw clips, and then I have my hair straightener back there. This little container has all of my hair ties, and these are kind of like smaller scrunchies. I also have like hair clips and bobby pins, and then I have my little slick back brush and just a regular hairbrush. And this has all of my scrunchies color organized. And that is the first drawer. The second drawer has extra hair products. So I have Dry Bar, it's the Detox Dry Shampoo, Curlsmith Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash. This is by Bondi Boost Heat Protectant Spray, IGK Good Behavior, 4-in-1 Prep Spray, this Away Detox Shampoo, this Scalp Revival, a glitter spray, Bumble & Bumble Curl Defining Cream, Heritage by Mendy. I have 2 of hers. I have the Day 2 Hair Crusher and then the Color Care Leave-In Conditioner. And I also have a heat protectant. I have another one of those Josie Curls curl sprays, and then I also have the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Oil. And that is for that one. This is all of my nail products, so I'm not going to go through every single nail color. If y'all see a color you want, just let me know in the comments. All of these are by the brand Madam Glam, so they just look like this. They're basically at-home gel nails. I have them currently on my nails right now. I just have like all of my colors, and then I have like the base coats and like top coats, my little lamp form, nail polish remover. These are all of my Sally Hansen nail colors. Those are the shade names. I have kind of like some random ones back here, my tools, and I also have Vanity Bay back there. And this drawer is one of my favorites. This is my skincare drawer. I have this Coco Kind Turmeric Facial Mask Stick. I have this Bumble Deep Dive Exfoliating Face Mask. These products are by The Hero. These are like the Lightning one and the Rescue Balm. And then I have this Calming Serum. I have an extra one of my Clean and Clear Dual Actual Moisturizer, which is my favorite one. I have these 2 little things. It's just a face roller and then a Gusha. And this one right here, I just have my Glow Recipe Plum Cream, Apology Caviar Serum Stick, Bio Oil Skincare Oil, this Glow Current Booster, and the Recipe Avocado Cleanser. In this back one, I just have all of my lip products. So I have this Rose Salve one, the Bath & Body Works Exfoliating Strawberry Lip Scrub. I have a bunch of these little Carmexes. So I have the scents Cool Mint, Wild Berry, and then Fresh Cherry. I have 2 more Sunbum ones, and then I had the Bath & Body Works Happy Birthday Vanilla Lip Gloss, and then I have the Bath & Body Works Strawberry Lip Gloss. So that's it for that container. And now for this one, my most exciting one. This is kind of like all of my serums. So I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Moisturizer, the Glow Recipe Dewdrops, more of the Glow Recipe Dewdrops, the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth Serum, the Depology NAT Pigment Correcting Serum, the Pacifica Wake Me Up Beautiful Serum, the Pacifica Glow Baby Booster Serum, the Multi-Action Super C Retinol Brightening Serum, the Glam Glow Instant Mud Mask. I have these mini ones from Lush. This is the Ocean Salt Face and Body Scrub, and then I have the Lush, and then I have 2 of the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. So that's it for that drawer. So for this drawer, I have all my Truly products. I have the Nice Melon with butter, and then I also have the matching Nice Melon serum. I have a little like adapter pieces for my Bella. Basically, it's a face mister, and then it also like sucks out pimples. I have a bunch of these face masks. I have the Freeman ones. I have Pacificum eye mask, a whole bunch of different eye masks, and then I have Patchology, and I have also have a lip mask. I have an eye mask back there that my boyfriend's mom got me, and then I have a bunch of Truly little serums. So I have the Truly Sweet Nectar Facial Serum, the Strawberry Glaze Glow Body Serum, and the Pineapple Glow Brightening Facial Serum. And that's it for that drawer. For this one, it's kind of more just like extra stuff and overstock. So I just have some creams over here. I have a toothbrush, deodorant, makeup wipes, shaving cream, kind of like all my travel stuff, toothpaste, my little travel shampoo, my travel contact solution, and then I have some wax strips, an extra razor, and then I have a whole bunch of these dermaplane brushes. I have a bunch of hand sanitizers. I have a little spray one and all of these right here. I have cotton rounds. You can't really see them. These are little razor heads, and these are like bib tape and band-aids in that one. All right, for this drawer, it's kind of like random stuff. So I have like my boyfriend's senior pictures, another one of these little headbands when I wash my face, these little back ear wipes, extra micellar water, and more of my facial spray. I have my pills for every day, and then I have some more pills here, liquid IV, vapor rub, really random, Tylenol. I really like these. These are my JS pills. This is the skin and digestion and the detoxing to bloat. I have eye drop, my contact solution, and then I have my retainers. And then in this last drawer, because this drawer right here literally is just all of my markers. So my last drawer for this video is all of like my sun stuff. I just have my sunscreen. So I have this brand from my Quake, and then Hawaiian Tropic. I have this After Sun Sunburn Relief Gel, and then I have a bunch of like self-tan. So I have the Tanologist self-tan water, and I also have the self-tan drops. So these are for your face. A little tanning mitt. I have my Supergoop. So I have the Supergoop Everyday Lotion, the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, and then the Resetting Mist, which are perfect for travel. And I also have the B10 10-day body oil. This actually works really well. This is Pacifica Backing Warrior. It's an acne fighting body spray, which I really like it. And this is just kind of random, but I also have this for my shoes when I sprayed it on to make it kind of rainproof. But besides that, that is everything in my drawers. That was it for my makeup collection. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. I will be doing a room tour coming soon, so y'all definitely should stay tuned for that. Kind of see what else I have in my room. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
Hey, it's me.